Hi all, my name is Samail Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel Devops with Samail. Today I'm going to show you another shell script video. So this is the day 4 shell script video. Today I'm going to cover take input from user in shell script. So how to take input from the user and then do the some logic according to the script and then come with the output. So those things I'm going to do today. So here first, how can I take the input from the user? Here it is telling in shell script you can take input from the user using the read command. Okay, so if I want to take input from the user, then we have to use the read command. So here you can see this one, and I'm going to just show you all these things how we can take the input from the user. Okay, let's give some name, maybe input.sh over here. Okay, here first thing we have to give that shebang, so let's give that shebang, and I can take the input from user. But what is the use of this take input from the user? Let me give you one scenario in the production. Like suppose you created one shell script for creating the user. In your team maybe different users or different employee came to your organization. You need to create their user on the Linux server. So in this case you created one shell script, but if you are hard coding this value as a variable, that time what will happen, you do every time change to that file. But instead of that, we can take input from the user that hey, today you want to create which user, maybe Samail user, maybe next day some other user you want to create. So we'll take input from the user only. I don't need to edit same file again and again for different users. So that's the reason we'll be using this particular read to take the input from the user. So for that what I can do, I can mention okay read -p. Okay, I'll just explain everything. Read -p. Now you can give enter the username. Okay, so you have to follow this syntax, and I can say whatever user is giving over here, store that in this particular name variable. You can give anything, maybe a variable also. So I am giving here name variable. Now I can print that particular what user has printed. Okay, so what user printed, the variable name is name, right? So let's try to save this and try to execute this. Input.sh. Here it is asking me enter the username. I'll say okay, username is Samail. Now it is printing the Samail name. Okay, so whatever user is going to print over here, it is going to give you the output. I can give more output input over there, like some message, user name is name. So now I should get that output. Can you see this? Okay, this time if I am giving username is Ali, so username is Ali. So it is giving me this particular thing. Now here I have already given one thing, where it is, this one. So I can run this one and I can explain you. Maybe I'll say a.sh. Any name you can give over there. Here this is somewhat we extended it. We said okay, enter your name, store this particular input from the user as a variable called name, and this all variable for call age, and then print those things. Let's try to save this and try to give the permission. a.sh. So it is telling enter your name. I'll say okay, my name is Samail. enter your age. My name is maybe 25. Okay, what it's telling, my name is Samail and my age is this. It means it is taking input from the user and it is storing as a variable. Then as per my condition or logic, it is giving me the output. So in production, it is going to create username, it is going to create file. So a lot of things it can do. I'll be showing you guys the real-time project. Once this all shell script class is done, then I'll show you how to create user by taking input from the user. Okay, so I think for this video this is enough, and I'll be continuing with another videos on the next topic. And please subscribe my channel, share and like, and share with your friends also whoever want to learn DevOps. So this is the basic things. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye.